Hi everybody, it's Brett and I'm doing some self-massage early in the morning because I woke up to pee and I had a really tight shoulder. It's been that way for a while and it's just time to get on it, and it doesn't matter what time of the day it is. If you need to do some self-massage, you need to just do it. So I thought I'd just inspire you here by showing you what I was doing. I have a green light on over there and a yellow light on over there, if you were wondering about the colors. So all of these muscles are interconnected, and so when you start releasing some of them here, then you need to release some of them here. Can you see that? Be sure to drink plenty of water, allowing your body to move out toxins that are getting released from all this action. I'm doing a little bit better. Those eclipses really got me. I had to do a lot of sleep over the last few weeks. It's all good. You know, the positions of the planets are just like the weather. They can make you feel in different ways. So I've got my elbow up here on the air cleaner. That takes the stress off of the muscle so that it can relax. so you can get in deeper. Knuckles are good tools. If you get in child's pose, it's really awesome to work on your deltoids with your arms splayed out in front of you. This position is just the best for working on deltoids. You just cup your fingers over the top of your shoulder like that and pull down and strip. Oh yeah. Work from the inside to the outside. Feel for where it's tight bands of muscle. I can feel that right on the inside there. This is a lot better than it was a half hour ago. Yeah. Thanks for joining me. I hope that this inspires you to do some self-massage and get going with your health. I'm putting all the links to my products in the description box down below so that you can go get you some good massage tools or maybe a millet whole pillow. And yeah, take the time for your own health and you will benefit. Please give me a thumbs up. Thanks for joining me. Be well. Na, 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 Also, don't forget to stretch all of the muscles really well after you massage them. Remember, massage first, then stretch.